My dear students, as we are discussing about different areas of employee orientation, let's talk about online orientation. This is one of the most emerging techniques nowadays in number of organizations, particularly those organizations which are located on a multiple locations. Particularly those organizations which are located on a wider geographic location. Online orientation, another approach to orientation for newly hired employees, is offering it to them online. So all of the content would be online. How it would work? This process allows employees to log on to a guide that takes them through any one of the several areas typically covered during conventional orientation program. So the contents are not much different. The concept is not much different. Only the way of operation is different. In this way, the new employees would get a log on to the company portal system, and the company would put all of the orientation program into the online system. The employee would log on and they would get all of the information in the online system. Some of the organizations are very progressive and they put online videos through which they can get familiarize the employees about their office location and number of other facilities available in the organization. So such kind of a customized online videos are also available so the people can even see their organization while sitting on their computer system. For example, often an employee's question will trigger an additional relevant thought that the presenter may offer to enhance a topic currently under discussion. So if the online orientation system is there, the people may ask questions through the online orientation system. Some of the companies have their chat box through which the employees can put the question, and the people or the presenters sitting on the other side of the computer, they are answering their questions in the best possible manner. So online orientation is not much different from the conventional orientation program because it would include all of the content, all of the valuable and the relevant information in place, but that information would be given to the new employees through an online system. Online orientation may be helpful when standard orientation is not practical because of time or other restraints. Some of the organizations are very big. They have number of offices in a different geographic locations, particularly multinational companies. They have number of offices across the world, across the globe. So it is not possible for them to conduct orientation program in every geographic location, in every office. So they have online orientation system, and through online orientation system, they help their new employees to understand the organization. Just an on-site orientation program can vary considerably in terms of contents, in terms of format, and in terms of duration. So too can online orientation also vary considerably, keeping in view the organizational context. There are, however, key components that typically appear in most companies' online system. What are those contents? Let's talk about those. Number one, introduction of the company. Number two, the instructions for the employees, for the new employees, that what employees need to do and what new employees should not do. Then there are employee checklists. My dear students, whenever a new employee are going to join an organization, there are a number of things which he need to do in the organization, being the part of that organization. So employee checklist is also given. That is online checklist, and the employee would do all those jobs and then do tick on those employee checklist. Then number 4 is the overview of the content. Then 5 is the equal employment opportunities in the organization. And number 6 is the organizational information, its structure, its format. And number 7, the benefits information. That is the most interesting area for the new employees. The new employees would like to know that what kind of benefits organization would give to them. So the new employees would show their keen interest in the benefit information portion. And then policies and procedures. Then number 9 is the workplace health and safety. And this is also one of the most hotly debated topic in the orientation program, that the new employees must need to know about their workplace health and safety policies and procedures, and what kind of health and safety risks are there, and how employees can get rid of such kind of health and safety risk because he is new in that organization. And number 10 is the technology resources. what kind of technology the organization uses, using, and what kind of technological resources are available, and how to use those resources in the organization. And then employee assistance programs are also available in the information system, and then employee amenities are also mentioned in the online orientation system. And then the training and development, that is a very important portion for the new hire, because most of the new hire would like to get training in the very start of their job. Such kind of the trainings can be the orientation trainings, such kind of trainings can be the on-job training. So all the information about the training and development of the new hire is also available in the system. And then confirmation of completion. And then the last but not least is the online evaluation, orientation evaluation. Performa is there. That is the online questionnaire. The employees, the new hires, need to fill out that questionnaire, and that questionnaire would be uploaded in the system, and then it would be evaluated automatically, and the results would help organizations to improve their online orientation system.